Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to send Solana from Binance to Phantom Wallet. So let's start. It's very easy to do it. So let's go to Binance and then let's go to the wallet in the right side. Just click here and then just click on add accounts. Just click on add accounts and then just click on deposit crypto. Just click here and then just select the currency that you want. In this case I want this one, and then just click on choose the network. Just scroll down and click on Solana. Here it says that you have to write the deposit address. In this case, well, I can't do it because my account is not verified on Binance, but if your account is verified, well, you can click on deposit address. So for getting your Phantom deposit address, let's go to Phantom app. I'm here on Phantom app, as you can see. Let's wait a little bit until this is ready to use. Just wait a little. And when your Phantom app is able to use and it's good, just go to your Solana currency that appears here. Just click here in Solana, just click here, and then just click on receive. Then you can share your QR code if you want, or you can copy your deposit address at this that we want, because Binance wants this address will be pasted there. So now let's back to Binance again, and if you can just click on paste the deposit address that just copy on Phantom wallet. So just click here and you paste the address. As you can see, well, I can do it. As I told you, I have to verify my account, but you can paste the address of your Phantom wallet and then just transfer the money in an easy way. So I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.